Hi guys, I'm Bailey Pratt, and this is my switch diagram. For this one, I have two paper clips, or just clips. This one, I have a washer and a paper clip, and for this one, push switch, I have two grommets. Then this is a net diagram of my house. You can see all the switches with all the wirings go around. And this is a circuit diagram. For each switch, this is my first switch. This is the door. I close it. My second one, a window. Third one, a window again. I open it. Fourth is another window. And then the fifth one is the washer and paper clip. So my reflection is three things that was fun learning about electricity. 2, making wire connections. 3, making different circuits. And for two things that were difficult. 1, stripping the wires. 2, making different switches. One question I still have, is there any other circuits that we didn't learn? Thank you.